So Lily's hiding right away. That's quite the good tactic. And that's a... Is that a barred door? Oh! Well, a new mechanic, I guess.
Yeah. You just need to slide it the other way, Lucas.
Just...
Why is it raining? Isn't it out the inside? Oh,
I guess not. Another nail.
I'm starting to think that you might be able to loot
the guards. But I'm just curious, why would the guards carry a weird cross circle?
For the same reason it would lay in a chest is their property.
Yeah, but something you put in your chest is something you store. Something they have on themselves is something you walk around with.
Loots are not always...
appropriate.
No, you don't always loot something that makes sense. Can you agree with me on that, at least?
I can. I just think if the game tells you that it's a possibility to not kill people, it wouldn't just... What do you call it?
No, I don't think it's necessary to kill guards to get what
you need.
What you need. I just think if you need something desperately, killing guards might
yield it.
Yield it. Might make it come to you faster.
That's prison cells, I guess. And Lily's down there.
Where do we need to go?
Oh! She needs to get through. That's a guard.
So she needs to get up here and through that gate. But
where's she now?
She's... Yeah.
Oh. She advanced.
I think she needs to get back behind that guard. There's a staircase, isn't there? To your right. To your right. That's left.
Oh, that's the left. Oh, up that staircase.
Yeah.
I get it. Let's just try making some noise. Evil spirits, indeed.
Yeah. You killed him.
And go! Lily?
I mean, we know that if she's not bolting, it's because something's not safe.
It is. But what isn't safe?
What about the cage right behind you? Make it fall? Not on top of him, please.
She walked back. That's not good. Now. Now, Lily. Now.
Try to look what's happening.
Well, I think she needs to go over here.
Go, please. Why is she not running?
I don't know. Lily, move. She's
Thank
moving.
you.
Go, Lily, go.
So we need to see, other than the two guards, what's... You were looking for a chest, weren't you?
No.
Yeah.
No. How did you know? Perhaps in here?
I think there's something to find in one of these.
One of these cells. Go!
Whoa!
She's trying to walk past him. Well, that was a bit... I wouldn't want to say dumb, but...
Daredevilly.
Daredevilly.
Exactly.
That's a word now. Oh, she can just sneak along here. Actually.
Yeah, but she's too stubborn to do that. That was smart. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Go, Lily, go! Oh!
Oh, kill him! Kill him!
No, I won't!
There's a thing on the table you could pull. Or the stool, whatever.
What a stool. Isn't stool also poop?
Yep, yeah.
We need to go that way. What are you doing here? What?
I meant the...
Ah, he's shooting through the... Oh, that's not...
That is expert marksmanship.
It went through the pillar.
Expert marksmanship. No, it's not.
Ooh.
Oh, stab him. Stab the fuck
No, I'm not gonna stab him.
Stab the fuck out of him. Kill him.
No.
He deserves it. Alright.
Go, Lily, go.
And...
Go, Lux, go. Go, you motherfucking little...
It doesn't matter. It doesn't
fucking brat. Go, Lily, go.
And go.
That went quite smooth. A chest.
And what's the plan?
Hide behind this barrel.
Ah.
Go, Lily. Go! Why isn't she moving? And now she's moving.
Good.
You know, you had a lot of time for that.
And she's already moving on. So I think you should maybe not scold her and just follow her.
Oh, there's a sneeze coming.
Are you gonna sneeze?
Perhaps.
And pause.
Yeah, wait a minute, it's not coming right now. Oh! Oh no. And we're back. I hope. No, we're not.
Oh my god. Again?
Perhaps.
Try to sniff in. Sniff in.
I'm doing that. Damn Joyce and Matic.
And look up. No. You need to look up. Oh my god.
You told me to look up.
Yeah.
I'm immersed.
So we are in the discussion of how to make you sneeze, not how to make Shadwen sneeze.
But I was immersed.
Well, first of all, before you do that, look where Lily needs to hide next. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, sorry, mate.
And you killed one of them.
Yeah, but you just have to move out of.
But do you think they raised the alert if they see it was a dark spirit that killed him?
Look.
There's a chest.
Where? Over here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh!
There's a door right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Is it barred?
No. Grab it.
Grubble. I think it's barred.
From the other side. Oh, I think you need to go over, open the door.
Oh, open the door. That makes a lot of sense. But now I've distracted them all the way over here.
Yeah.
Ooh, ghost porcelain.
I don't think it's porcelain.
Ooh, ghost ceramics.
Yeah. In the cells.
Oh, I forgot about the fall damage. I always forget about the fall damage.
And that's 8.
We'll just toss on it.
Well done. And right down to a hay pile. Well done.
Hashtag calculated. Lily?
She's kind of getting on my nerves.
Lily? There's no one here. Just get out of the hay pile.
Can you just look around?
I'm gonna go over there and stab you if you don't move.
Wow, yeah, that's a good idea.
Lily? Thank you.
You really...
That's good parenting.
Did you just say it's good parenting to
No.
threaten with stabbing?
No. What are you hearing?
Did you see the chest under the stock banner?
No.
Penis can't get flagged, can it?
I don't know.
I mean, it's a medical term.
Yeah.
Do you think...
Vagina is a medical term.
Yeah, but I also don't think I don't think you can get
fucking
flagged.
vagina.
Yeah, fucking maybe. But vagina, no.
That's the way we're supposed to go. That
No,
looks like a circus tent.
Isn't that the sigil right up to your right?
Yeah, that's the end of the level.
A barrel with a big cross on it?
Is that an explosive barrel? I'm gonna push it. Into the fire.
Yes, please. You do realize what's gonna happen, right?
Yeah, but like I said, this is creative.
I think you need to tilt it on the side and then roll it.
I'll try.
And
But
do it out of sight. Get away.
They didn't hear that.
Well, they didn't.
Go, barrel, go! What are you supposed to use that for?
I think it's because if you wanna kill every guard in the level, that is a very effective way of dealing with the last 3. Chest.
Another chest.
An explosive chest.
I don't hope so.
It's an
A
owl!
rat! Did you say an owl?
And now whale. Don't you think that's the last thing?
That's a rat.
Yeah, but look, is it the...
I think it's part of the decoy.
Yeah.
I made a decoy.
So it wasn't a narwhal, it was a rat. I think she needs to go... Turn around. Can't she get in any way up to the... Yeah, I think she needs to go through that.
Well, that's a locked door.
Yeah,
So
but I think you can unlock it.
Unlock, that's the word.
That is a word.
You sounded a bit, not quite sure of yourself.
When you do that, you need to say, oh, yeah, yeah.
Look at those skills.
Very well done.
She needs to go all the way around here. Go, Lily. Go.
And
You
go.
can do this.
And go.
Lily! I'm trying to set up barricades.
For Lily.
For Lily.
But the problem is you're locking that dude into the barricade.
Go, Lily.
Oh.
Now's your time.
Make it. Ah, and that dude's coming.
But he's...
No. She's gonna
Just-
make it. Gonna make it.
Lily!
Maybe just a light tuck.
Light tuck.
That's not a light tug.
I tried to block him. Lily, you better fucking move. Or the threats about stabbing will soon
come back.
Soon begin again.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
This is your time to shine.
There we go.
Thank you, Lily. This is quite a complex level, this one, because I need to open the doors and such. Let's see. I did this the last time.
You Tarzan did. You didn't yell.
No.
Why not?
If I
Then maybe
use the-
just tug a little bit.
Why are you using the word tuck all of a sudden?
Because that is just as right as pull.
It is, but you haven't used it before this.
You're very hostile towards changes, aren't you? Like,
Where is she?
Some do.
Oh, there she is. Oh,
She just stabbed her.
No, I didn't. I was close to stabbing her. There's a difference.